Hello there guys, welcome to ND Travel, your favorite channel. This night we're going to show you an update. How are the prices of Hong Kong market prices, you know. So let's start with whatever we can find right here. Look at this Tropicana, you know, $1.50 US. The prices I am going to tell you in US dollars, and you can change it to the currency. The actual currency is $1 US to 8 Hong Kong dollars. Okay, so look at this, all these 6-pack for only $2 US. Let's look at the eggs. 10 eggs, extra large eggs for only $2.20. You know, let's check here. This little juice that is Vita fresh honey green tea, $1.20. Let's check about yogurt, $1.70. All this fruit salad yogurt. Let's check here these little meats, you know. Everyone loves this meat here. All these big 300-gram dried meat sumo jerky, only like $6 US. Let's look at these cookies, you know, $1.50 also. Let's look at this Ariel, like kind of Cheetos, Doritos, I don't know what kind of these things they are, but only $1. A little bit expensive, but that's okay also, you know. Let's check about these things, you know, important for a woman, you know. These only $1. All these things are for only $1 with 30 cents. Really interesting. Look at these things, you know. Big noodle cups, you know, only $1, $1 US. Look at this price. So it's really fine, you know. We've got also these big packages of rice, you know, for only $5. 10 kg of rice, $5 US. That's fine, you know. That's really fine, you know. That's like the cheapest rice price that I have seen along the planet Earth, you know. Let's check here, guys, something that might interest you. Look at this mayonnaise, only for $1.70. Well, this is cheap, brother. Look at this, how much this weighs. Look at these chicken wings, you know. Meat a little bit expensive, maybe like almost $10, you know. 1 kg of chicken wings, you know, a little bit expensive though. So that's a little bit of the market prices here in Hong Kong 2024. Don't forget to give us our like and also our subscribe button here, hit down here, you know. This is something really cheap that I have found out. Alright, look at this Toblerone directly from Switzerland, as it says, only $2.50, you know. Also sneakers, also $1, $2. That's alright, yeah.